Imagine having 9 AI tools at your fingertips in 2026. These tools can change your life, making everyday tasks easier. You're probably wondering what these tools are and how they work. In 2026, AI is more accessible than ever with free tools available. One tool can write emails for you, saving time and effort. Another tool can generate images, bringing your ideas to life. As we explore these tools, you'll realize how much easier life can be. But what if I told you there's a tool that can even learn your habits? This tool can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time. In 2026, having these tools is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. The most surprising tool is one that can translate languages in real time. If this helped you, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe us for daily tips.